How to send Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily send Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. So let's get started. So it's in quite easy process. So first thing, just open up your Google Forms, and once inside here, you just have to click on this zero icon or person profile icon with the plus icon, and just tap on this as you can see. And once inside here, just make sure that you have selected this responder view to anyone with the link and not on the restricted one, so that anyone with the link can open this form that you provided. Now simply copy the responder link from over here and click on done. And once you do all of that, now simply head back to your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and simply select the person to whom you want to send the particular link. So I'll simply tap on this group over here and simply paste it just like this, the link which I just copied, and simply click on send. And just like that, you have successfully sent the Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.